All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about the Ullman digital inspection mirror. We're all familiar with inspection mirrors, and they work well till they get fogged, till they get a piece of grease on them that's right where you need to see. You crack them, you break them, and all that. Now this is an option for that. Now full disclosure, they did send this to me, but I have thought about it many times buying it off the Matco truck. My dealer has one on his truck, and I have kind of eyed it several times. It is a, well, camera on a stick. Now it connects via wireless to your phone, Android or iOS, so you can record, you can take pictures. It records in 720p, so pretty good quality. If you have one of those digital inspection forms, you could hook this up and take pictures of oil leaks in really awkward places because, well, it's a camera on a stick. And it's a lot easier to shove this in weird places than your phone, which yes, I have done. This is actually a great option. Now, a couple things about the camera. Focus length, it likes to be a little further away than like an inspection mirror. Just a tookiness of the camera. You know, it's a camera, so you want to be a little further back. If you get a little too close, it gets a little grainy and hard to see. You know, if I can get the video off my phone, I will try to put an example of it. But overall, really good video quality. You can record with it, you can take pictures with it. You've got lights on it, so you can light things up. It also comes with this magnetic mount. Now, I haven't had a chance to play with this, but the purpose of it is, well, you stick it somewhere, you put this camera there, you hit record like you go for a drive. You know, I've seen guys take GoPros and do that. And I've thought about it, but GoPro sucks. I haven't had any problems with connecting with this. As long as you understand it is via wireless. So you have to hook to the Ullman network to get it to hook up. So you have to get off of your Wi-Fi of the shop to hook to it. You know, Wi-Fi is a better connection than Bluetooth every day of the week, so small price to pay for a better connection. It's Ullman, so you've used their magnets, their inspection mirrors, and it basically is the same thing. You know, you bend it a little bit too much, you're gonna break it, but I'm sure they can sell you a new stick. But very handy product for, well, inspecting things on cars. You know, looking for that bolt. Comes in handy for those. Comes in handy for looking for those weird oil leaks. You know, the ones you can't really see. You can stick this down into between a radiator and the engine and go, oh, it's leaking out of the oil cooler or whatever. So definitely a very cool piece of equipment. Quick note, it is USB chargeable, so no batteries. Yay. Because, you know, nothing worse than pulling out a tool and having dead batteries in it. It's USB charging, so I have plenty of those, so no big deal to charge. But it comes with a power cable and a brick. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.